Hey guys, I'm new here. My name's Caitlin. I moved to a 2-acre lot this year in September, previously from a 1-acre lot, and I want to record my gardening journey. So I have been gardening for 3 years. This is our 4th year, new place, new soil, new beds to figure out, lots of things. So I thought I would start with my goals this year and then kind of move into how I'm starting my garden this year in February, Zone 8A in North Carolina. So first things first, my goals this year are to obviously be more self-sufficient. I want to go to the grocery store less. I want to grow more food for my family, stuff that we'll actually eat, because in past years I've grown some really cool stuff, but none of it my kids would consume. I want to use more of the waste that we have here on our little farm, meaning like pet bedding, compost, stuff like that. And then I also want to make gardening as simple and cheap as possible. In previous years, I've spent lots of money on wood for raised beds, the bricks that go around your raised beds to make beds, fancy soil that goes in it. I've been experimenting with composting this year, so I want to just kind of see how that goes. Obviously I'm gonna have to buy some compost and nursery mix, which I've already done, and I just want it to be simple. I want to be able to show everybody and people that don't have as many means as everyone else or as much money as everyone else that they can do this too. So we'll see how far we can go with almost nothing. Here we go.